Hello friends, welcome to JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to study about the for in loop. There is one more loop supported by JavaScript. It is called for in loop. It executes one or more statements for each property of an object or each element of an array. This for in loop is used to get the access of object's property and array's element. Here, this is the syntax of for in loop. In each iteration, one property from object is assigned to variable name, and this loop continues till all the properties of the object are exhausted. This is the syntax of for in loop for array element. In each iteration, one element from array is assigned to variable name, and this loop continues till all the elements of the array are exhausted. How to access that property into for in loop? Simple way, write object name and into bracket write variable name, and if you want to work with array, then simply write array name and variable name. Let's take a look at the example. This is the simple example for in loop. Here we have the language array, which contains these three elements, and its value is C, CPP and Java. Here our for in loop, X is local variable and language is name of array. Here if we want to access this array element, we have to use this format, array name and into bracket variable name. Now let's take a look at the output. So this is the output of our program. Using for in loop, we have accessed all the elements of array, and loop will be closed after all the elements are taken into for loop. Now let's take a look at the different example. Here we have used associate array. It means we have index and its value. Here A is index and its value is HTML. Similar way B is index and its value is CSS. Here this is the for in loop. We have used variable X in our associate array A. If we want to access the value of each element of array A, we should use this format, array name A into bracket variable name. Now let's see the output. So this is the output of our program. So this is very simple method to access all the elements of array, or we can access all the properties of object through for in loop. I hope now you have clear idea about this for in loop.